There's a place I'll always cherish neath the blue Atlantic skies, where the shores down in Cape Breton bids the golden sun to rise, and the fragrance of the apple blossoms sprays the dew-kissed lawn, back in dear old Nova Scotia, a place where I...
Hey guys, welcome back to All Outdoors Nova Scotia. I'm your host Robert. Well, after a couple of days messing around, I had to order a spark plug. I thought maybe it was the plug for the wheeler. My buddy, Hunting 902, and I went through, scoured the diagrams and wiring and stuff, and we come to the conclusion we think it might have been the kill switch that I bought. So I came back tonight with the new plug, did some testing, still no fire. So I took the wiring off the kill switch, and lo and behold, it is the kill switch. Or was the kill switch. I've wired it up now so that the start button still works, but the kill side does not. I'll have to shut it off with the key for now, but I want to show you. Check this out. So here we are. The wiring's all off there. Just a second. Hard to do with one hand, but there she is, running. I've just got the exhaust on her loose there. But I'm some happy. The old girl lives. She's got power. That new carburetor did come pretty much preset. I had to play with the idle a little bit to get it to idle right. I had it cranked up too high so it revved too high, and then I turned it down too low so it wouldn't idle. But now I think I got her just about set perfect. She's ticking away there. Couldn't ask for it to run any better. Finally. I'm so happy.
There's a place I'll always cherish neath the blue Atlantic skies, where the shores down in Cape Breton bids the golden sun to rise, and the fragrance of the apple blossoms sprays the dew-kissed lawn, back in dear old Nova Scotia, a place where